Hey, you like the chair? You guys gonna make it all hairy. Uh-oh, he's chewing on the strings.
What strings? Don't let them chew on strings.
He's chewing on the strings that are hanging off the chair.
Uh-oh. That's not good. He's going to swallow it.
Look, he's pulling it. What are you doing? We gotta Ozzy-proof the chair now. Hi, silly boy. Where are you? Ouch. What are you doing? You just scratched me. You're a troublemaker. Why are you such a little troublemaker? You're a little troublemaker. Peekaboo. I see you. I see you. Look at him, James. Hi, monkey face.
Underneath.
What are you doing?
Reminds me of when he was a kid.
What are you doing like that? How are you hanging out like
that? The whole body. Back up.
How are you hanging out?
Oh, got those. Oh, look how cute. Down, down.
How are you hanging out? How are you hanging out like that? Huh? Ozzy? You're such a cutie. What you should do to the chair? What are you guys doing?
From this angle.
What are you guys doing to the chair?
Come upside down here.
Huh?
Beautiful.
You guys are mutilating the chair.
Hi, Ozzy.
Look at that. Hi, Ozzy. Hey, little baby. Here's my little monkey.
Hi, Skip.
Hi.
Where I'm looking, it looks cute.
Hi, funny face. Hi, Ozzy.
Hi, Skip. Hi, monkey face. The ugly background.
Hi, Ozzy. Hi, Ozzy. What you doing? Huh? What you doing? What you doing, funny face? Hey. Hi, sweetheart. Why are you so cute? Hi, Ozzy. Hi, hi, Skippy. Look at it. Thanks.
Funny face.
What are you doing, you monkey? Peekaboo. I see you. What you doing? What you doing? You just whacked your camera.
Hi, Skippy.
Hi, monkey face. How's my boy? Huh? Hi, my Skippy hippie. Huh? Hi, my Skippy hippie. I love you. You're so cute. Look at that profile. Look at that profile. Huh? You're so cute. Huh? You're so handsome. You're so handsome. Huh? I love you. What are you doing? Ozzy? I'm holding it.